Gold prices yet again traded bullish despite a little swing earlier in the day towards 4200 4210 mark. Just refer to my video few hours back when I had mentioned that even if gold tries to drop 4200 4210 should offer a very good support, and now it has bounced back and trading above 4240 levels here. Are we looking forward to a breakout beyond 4250 levels here, 4255 levels here, and expect it to move towards 4280, or the highs are done? Wait for a reversal. There are no signs of reversal here. Remember this fact. While when you talk about crude oil, we have seen a very narrow range bound movement here. Yes, it has struggled to break above 58.6 and failed to trade below 58 as well. While you talk about NASDAQ 100 and DJ30, you can see Tech 100 is trading strongly bullish. It has come back towards 24,900 now, while US 30 is also seen 46,500. What to expect from these four instruments with the US session? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We are going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates so that you can profit across Asia, Europe and US sessions. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First gold, followed with crude oil. Lastly, Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones watch till. If you see the hourly charts here, see the rise and the dip here. This is the second rise here. You can see it is forming. See, after this good rise, the bullishness has been moderated. Either it should drop now below 4230 mark, 4220 mark. These two levels are crucial here. And the most important one is between 4210 and 4200. If these levels are taken, you can say it's a reversal. Else it is still not showing any signs of reversal. It is still staying strong. Look at the move, 5-period moving average, definitely offering it a very, very good. What does this mean? Yes, if you see it is staying below 42, 34, 32 zone, you can take a sell and expect it to move towards 42.20. As long as 42, 34, 32 is not taken, you have to be careful with the sells here. Notice higher lows are seen. Possibly it could move towards the highs, that is aiming towards 42.50 here. Stochastic flat, rather stochastic overbought. The MACD is staying flat and the RSI is staying flat. If you see the 2-hour charts, look at the formation here. See, this was the bigger drop where we had seen the price is moving towards 20 periods. Since then a rise, slight retracement. Then the bullishness getting moderated here, again a retracement. But when you look at the move here, also just connect the highs. Can you see the bullishness getting diminished here? See these highs, the bullishness definitely getting diminished. It is very, very crucial now for gold to trade beyond 42, 55, 56 zone. That should confirm a possible move towards 42, 76, 78, or in fact 4300 mark here. But right now I'll say too early to jump onto that conclusion. As we can see, the bullishness getting diminished. The good thing here is that the price is now taken the support from 4220, and now 4220, 4210 and 4200 is the mark. This is the zone which is going to remain the most crucial one for gold. Any drop below 4200 should confirm further bearishness. If you see the stochastic, this is overbought. The MACD is flat here. The RSI is overbought as well. Look at 3-hour. See on the 3-hour charts, preceding two candles. This is important. See, ideally this could have become a reversal sign after a good rise here. This could have be the reversal sign. But what has happened? It has followed with a good bullish move here. Now this is very, very crucial for gold to trade below this mark, which means it is very crucial for it to stay below 42, 34, 32 mark here, which will confirm further downside here. Else it is still not confirming the bearishness. The stochastic overbought, MACD at the highs here, waiting for it to converge crossover for a sell. It is at the top here and it is almost on the verge of a crossover. RSI overbought, coming to 4-hour. Look at 4-hour charts here. Look at the support it is getting from the 5-period. Very, very crucial for gold to breach this 5-period moving average. Very, very important for it to trade now below 4220, 4200 and then 4180 mark here. Very crucial support exists here. Not yet showing any signs of reversal, not yet showing any signs of bearishness. Stochastic overbought, MACD at the highs, RSI overbought. Things are definitely overstretched here for gold, but it is not showing any signs of a pullback. Coming to the daily, look at the daily charts here. See 3-candle formation. You can see this was the support it has taken here from 40.50, 40.20, and then we have seen a stronger rise. Now, if you connect the bullishness, you can see that the bullishness is slightly diminished, though on the downside we do not see any bearishness. Higher lows are consistently offered. Now, on the daily charts, it is very crucial for gold to trade below 4200 mark, and then that should confirm the next move towards 4180 or in fact 4150 mark here. Yes, price is trading with divergence from the 20 period or the 5 period. 20 period anyways, it is trading with too much of divergence and it appears it's a distant dream for now. But in fact from 5 period, when you see whenever prices diverge from 5 period, it quickly moves back towards the zone. So let's see if it does show this swing today. Things are definitely staying overbought, be it the MACD, be it the RSI, be it the stochastic. Considering this, now where you should buy, I will only now recommend you to buy at 42, 48 levels, and then wait till 42, 55, 56. If at all it stays above this, you can expect a bullish move here, which could take it all the way to 42, 67 and 42, 76, 78. Staying beyond this, 4300 could be possibly the next targets here. Anything and everything is possible. These are markets and this is gold. Yes, staying beyond 42, 76, 78, I think 4300 should be easier for gold to hit, though it is not going to be easier for gold to break this. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 42, 34, 32 zone. Expect 42, 24, 42, 18, 16, and if this is taken, then there are key support levels here: 4210, 4205 and 4200. Till 4200 extreme supports are available here for gold. Below 4200 is where you can say slight bearishness towards 4180 and 4150, 40 zone. It is not willing to show such a drop. It appears to be staying bullish or trading almost flat. So take your trades and positions accordingly. Yes, and before we proceed, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, do not miss to join the 35th mentorship batch. In the mentorship batch, you get to learn all the tools, techniques, and strategies with the help of which you can identify the profitable trades with ease and trade profitably. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for queries. Those looking forward to just trade as per the signals can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me for queries. And yes, if you're looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a set-free account, lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. With that, now let's move to crude oil. See, oil, if you look at it, is formed its support at 58, 57.8 earlier in the day I had mentioned. This should be a good support, and so far it has offered a good support here. And if you look at the move, it's still staying in the box, which means it might deliver a breakout. We have to wait for a breakout move. Yes, if you see it is staying beyond 58.6, you can stay with the bias for 59. And any move beyond 59 and 59.4, 59.6, that's the confirmation of reversal. Else what's happening after the drop? It is stayed sideways here. After the drop, it is staying sideways. Any drop below 58, 57.8 should be the confirmation of next down move here. Let's wait for it to trade below 58 at least. Stochastic at the bottom here. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover for sell. Slight bearish indication it is. RSI trying to bounce back, trying to rise. Coming to 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour chart, similar is the observation here, a range bound movement. Let it stay beyond 58.6 and 59. That will confirm the breakout on the upside, but right now I can see a struggle here. And yes, on the downside, the support anyways are very, very strong. So yes, only and only if you see it staying below 58, you can say that it is trying to take a dip again, else a possible breakout on the upside cannot be denied. Stochastic comfortably placed. MACD is still rising. Look at this. After forming the bottom, it is looking upwards. And if you consider this as a wave, possibly a crossover here should also invite more bears out here. The RSI rising here. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour chart, what has happened? Notice the 20 period is definitely offering it a resistance here. You can see after every good drop, it follows with a retracement towards 20 period. Now this time it has to decide the direction, and thus 58.6, 59, 59.6 are the levels which you should watch out for. Any move beyond 59.6 should confirm the next rise here. It could in fact take it all the way towards 61 or 62, but right now it is not showing much strength. Yes, the stochastic placed comfortably. The MACD is also crossed over and trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. It has also formed a double bottom, so this calls for a double top as well. But let's wait for it to clear the hurdles. RSI placed comfortably here. On the 4-hour, similar observation here. After every drop, it retraces here, and now this time it is just consolidating in a range, neither willing to give you a breakout on the upside nor willing to drop as well. So let's wait for it to come out of this zone. Moving averages are definitely staying bearish, while the stochastic and MACD both are rising. This is a supportive sign for the bulls here. RSI is also showing a bit of bullishness. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, look at the move here. Greater drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. Now, yes, you can see these three legs here. You can find out that the bearishness has diminished here. Second thing is it is getting oversold. Third thing is for the day we had seen higher lows, lower highs, a zone of consolidation, which means it is very critical for oil to break beyond 59 and then 59.6. If these two levels are taken, this will be confirmation of a reversal here. Stochastic at bottom while the MACD is staying bearish, the RSI is flat at bottom. So considering this, what you should do now, thing is clear that you can buy at 58.6. When you see the lower price above 58.6, expect 59 and then 59.4, 59.6. If this is taken, you can stay bullish for 60, and beyond 60 is where the real bullishness will begin, where you can expect 61.1 or in fact 62.4 levels. Chances for which appears less here. It is not going to break this at least today. And thus, but yes, as in how it trades above 60, we can expect bullishness to prevail. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 58. Expect 57.75, 57.5, 57.4. This is the next crucial support. This is the most crucial support rather. 57.4, 57.5. Below this, expect 57, 56.6, 56, and then ultimately 55, the triple bottom levels. So let's wait for it to take a direction. Right now, it is a very, very range bound movement for the day. We have to still be watchful with the next move here. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to NASDAQ 100. NASDAQ 100, you can see once it has breached 24,800 marks, we have mentioned that it has formed a good support. What we had seen now, it is now trading above the crucial milestone at 24,900 levels here, and possibly heading towards the double top at 24,940, 970 levels here, breaking beyond which certainly more bullishness may prevail. Notice the formation here. See how it has been trading. Rise, retracement, and now this is the second bounce back, second leg of rise here. If you connect the highs and the lows, it appears that we will see US 100 again back to 25,000, 25,100 levels here. But right now, too early to jump onto that conclusion. Yes, for now, on the hourly charts, it is definitely staying bullish. Only selling entry has to be below 24,840. Though the stochastic is overbought, but when you see the MACD and RSI, both are rising and both are supportive of further rise. Look at the 2 hour charts. Now, one thing it appears that it might not try to do is break the highs at 25,200. And I'm skeptical that 25,200 should remain the highs here. Let's see. Drop, gap up here, then drop, retracement, drop. See, connect the lows and the highs. Now, also connect the highs. This is also equally important. When you connect the highs, you can find out this is the zone which it may aspire to achieve, which means 25,000, 25,100 should be a greater hurdle. And even if it tries to rise, this wall should be difficult to break beyond. Moving averages crossed over here. These are certainly trading bullish here. Stochastic overbought. MACD rising here. It is still looking upwards. RSI is rising as well. On the 3 hour chart, clearly you can see the preceding candle is a step candle here. And if you look at the preceding candle, the body size was almost from 24,750 to 24,880 levels, which means almost 130 points. And from 24,880, it is possible that it can move towards 25,020 levels at least. So let's wait for it to trade beyond 24,940 levels, which will confirm further bullishness here. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising. On the 4 hour, similar observation, a good step is created trying to break out. I'll wait for 24,940 levels to be taken. And then possibly it is going to move towards 25,000, 25,020. The first target zone, 25,070, 25,100 the next. Stochastic rising, the MACD rising, the RSI rising. Signs are still very much supportive for further bullishness. Coming to daily, there is one thing on the daily charts here. You can find the support coming in. You can also see higher highs here. Higher highs means it can best move towards 25,020, 25,070 or 100 should be there as well. Yes, if it trades beyond 25,020, more bullishness must prevail. But I think it is going to be difficult for Tech 100 to trade beyond 25,200. And it is also possible, the higher it goes, the possibility of reversal also increases. So let's wait for it to take a direction here. Yes, right now it is staying bullish. The stochastic trying to bounce back, but the MACD is still staying bearish here. Today's stronger candle might only help it to cross over on the buy side. RSI again rising. So considering this, what you should do, I will now recommend you to buy it 24,920 itself. Expect 24,970, 25,020. And if it trades beyond this, possibly we are looking at 25,080, 100 levels. I do not expect it to break, but yes, then 25, 180, 200 should arrive, and beyond this, sky is the limit appears difficult for the day. On the down, I will recommend a selling entry at 24,860 levels. Expect 24,800, 24,760, 24,700. Below 24,700 is where the real bearishness will be seen, and then 24,600 is going to be the strongest target. It has to trade below in order to confirm the possible reversal today. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to DJ30 or Dow Jones. If you look at US30 here, look at the formation, drop, support here, retracement. Also, this could be head and shoulders here. So I'll wait for it to trade beyond 46,500 mark, which will confirm further up move here 46,500, 522. If it trades beyond, stay bullish for possible move towards 46,600 and 800 zone. I think it is going to be difficult for it to break that zone, but yes, right now I can see a range bound movement. On the downside, definitely a support is strong at 46,250, 200 zone. We have to wait for a break below 46,250, 200 in order to confirm a complete breakdown. Stochastic overbought. MACD after retracement crossed over, trading bullish here. RSI is dropped here. Look at 2 hour. Similar observation. See the support here very strong at 46,250, 240. It has to trade below this. And then it could be a greater drop here. Yes, look at drop, retracement, and now once it trades lower, it might invite more bearishness. Also, it has formed a double top. So this is going to be the hurdle which it has to trade beyond. That is 46,500. Above 46,500 only, you can treat this as bullish. Stochastic at top, MACD almost flat, RSI flat. On the 3 hour, similar observation. Good thing here is the double top here. Double top is a worry point for the bulls here. Yes, it can try to erase some of the gains from these two candles in one single candle, which means it can, if you see it is staying below 46,300 and 240, you can say more bearishness should be seen here. Why? See, look at the formation, rise, pullback, retracement, and it could follow the same here. It could follow the same pattern here as well. And notice here it could also be lower highs, lower lows, means a move towards 46,000 again. Stochastic rising, the MACD is in green, the RSI is flat. On the 4, see the 4 hour charts, a good support is created at 46,250. Only worry point is the double top it is shown here, which suggests that it can in fact move towards lower lows. And yes, this could also be a head and shoulders here. So let's wait for it to take a direction. I'm just worried if it is the same formation which it would like to deliver, where the lows are at 45,800. So be watchful at the current levels. Till 46,600, 800 zone is not taken, it's not bullish. Stochastic rising, the MACD rising, the RSI flat here. Coming to on the daily charts, you can see first it has formed a tail. Second, diminishing bullishness in these two candles. This is a worry point. Third, this could become the reversal sign, and for this to convert into a reversal sign, the price has to trade below 46,000. For the day, 46,300, 46,200 is a very good support, and thus these levels is what US30 has to break in order to confirm a possible reversal. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI flat here. Looking at this, what you can do, I will only now recommend you to, if you see it staying beyond 46,450, expect 500, 550, 600. Till 46,600, you can trail with just 50 points. Beyond 46,600, we can aim for 46,700, 46,780, 46,850, and then the next strongest number at 46,900. Any point of time US30 trading beyond 46,900, it's a complete reversal. You have to be cautious of that number. Right now, it is not showing that strength. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 46,350. Expect 46,300, 46,250, 46,200. Below 46,200 is where the bears will be back, where you can expect it to move towards 46K. And then if this is taken, you can stay bearish for 45,800 as well. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again with the Asia and Europe session tomorrow. Do not miss to watch that update. Thank you.